And there is evidences are 4 chapters are there in this one. 3 evidences has been mentioned to determine the aim of your life. Yoga and then पूर्व मीमांसा. And पूर्व में क्या हो जाता है? जैम खाते हैं. और जैम कैसा है? Liquid or condensed? It is in a kind of what? Condensed explanation of Vedic theme. Condensed explanation of Vedic theme. Understood it? And then Uttar Mimamsa. I said that given by Maharishi Vyasa. And he said that Brahma Sutra. What he talked about? And the Brahma Sutra मिल जाएगा तो इसके लिए आपको क्या होना चाहिए? You should have a true desire to know about the God. Then you can be able to get it. Understood? Then आपको क्या मिल सकता है? You have to surrender yourself for the lovingly God. Understood? And then I said that हमने क्या देखा? ये दोनों important चीज finish हो गया? Yes. First one I said that Vedanga. Second one I said that Saat Darshana Itihasa. Legendary or semi-legendary works, especially which one? Ramayana and Mahabharata. Who comes first? Ramayana. But next one it is Mahabharata. Who has given Ramayana? Valmiki. And then who has given Mahabharata? Vedavyas. And this दोनों books का difference है केवल 150 years. And they come around 350 BC. When then they can? और उस समय ये सारी story हो रही थी. And then which one has come? Yes. इतिहासा में रामायणा. Which one I said that? And Mahabharata. Understood? And I said that it is existing in the form of ballad. Actually Ramayana was existing in which form? बाद में इसको डेकोरेट किया गया. It has been decorated. It has been. So, and then it had an existence in ballad form, especially in Prakrit language, in more than one version is also available. It has rewritten in Sanskrit and augmented with many. पहले तो आया फिर उसके बाद और augment करके interesting story बनाई गई. क्लियर? ये हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, हमारी टेक्स्ट कह रही है. So I said that it has been what? Some sloka has been added to augment it and making it what? Interesting. Understood? The epic was given Brahmanical character and was not visible in the original work. तो पहले क्या था? Brahmanical character ज़्यादा नहीं था. जो आपने देखा वशिष्ठ, विश्वामित्र, देखे हैं ना आप so many things. So it has been added. बड़ी beautifully added किया गया. Edited. Not better to say added, but it has been edited. And then it is also known as what? तब वो कैसा काव्य बन गया, कैसा इतिहास बन गया? आदि काव्य. And it came in 350 BC. उसके बाद आ गया Mr. And it consists of 18 pravaras, 18 books, and it means 1 lakh verses, and it cannot be possible to be written by one portion. 1 lakh verses. Is it possible? हाँ? हाँ, लिख सकते हैं. चलो, I should have some 150 years of age to write so many verses along with so many characters. I said that, but scholars have expressed doubt if such a great work could have been accomplished by one single person. Everyone has doubt. The story itself occupies only about 1/4 of the poem, and it is a tale about a Palden affair. And the Puranas, and then Purana काम जितना पुराना है, that full of superstition, full of corruption, full of Puranas is full of superstition and full of corruption. मतलब विष्णु जी को पता नहीं कितने अवतारों में दिखाया गया, and what he has done, so much of superstition which is not possible in the real life. जैसे ही हम लोग ये टीवी में स्टोरी देखते हैं, उसके बाद जैसे ही बाहर आते हैं, the life is something different. So story has been made. So the Purana is full of, yes, superstitions and the most corrupt form of Hinduism. Okay? Understood? Puranas. And then there is an 18 Puranas का भी नाम सुना होगा. I said that ब्रह्म पुराण, शिव पुराण, नारद पुराण, भविष्य पुराण, वराह पुराण. These are the different Puranas. Clear? जो भी आपके लिखा हुआ है पूछा नहीं जाएगा. Understood? So इतिहास we have seen, and after that we have seen Purana. And that is not the part of Vedas. Vedas के बाद आया. It is in a post Smriti literature. इतिहास and Puranas are Smriti, not Shruti. And then we have seen Upaveda. What is this Veda? Dhanur Veda. Which I said that. And then this is I said that what? कुछ steps होंगे and all. Gandharva Veda. Which Veda? Just music and dance. Yes. And there is a which Veda? यहाँ पे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ये होना चाहिए, साउथ ईस्ट में वो होना चाहिए, something like this. वास्तु शास्त्र, Astha Veda. Understood? So different kind of Vedas are there. It is a subsidiary to the Vedas itself. It is considered an auxiliary to Vedas and deal with the medicine, architecture, erotics, archery and all. And these were partly derived from the original Vedas. Understood? समझ में आ गया? Which is the Vip Veda? And the next one is Tantra and Agamas. This is the writing and this is also writing. Both are writing. Tantras are writing, simple writing, जिसमें tantras are there. But when the writing is in religious writing, that become Agama. When there is a religious writing, that becomes what? It means good for the society, welfare of the society, and then tantras, what is against some. So tantras क्या है? Yes, it is in a tantras are writings of Sakta, means Saivites. It is in a, which one I said that? Saivites. And also certain antinomian Buddhist scholars. Yes or not? Who is the antinomian Buddhist scholars? बताया तो था, Vajrayana. Which one I said that? Vajrayana believes in what? Magical power gives us, can give us salvation. Vajrayana. और ये कब आया? In the Bihar and Bengal, where this sect has been grown, this Buddhism. And this is the last sect. Mahayana वगैरह तो चला ही गया. Which is the last sect? Vajrayana. And Vajrayana in the Bihar, that is from the 800 AD to 1200 AD, that is in Pala dynasty was there. Yes or not? वहीं बगल में बंगाल में बाद में सेना dynasty come. And this Pala dynasty से यहाँ से धीरे 11th century AD में some, I said that portion has, and then messenger has been sent into Tibet and Nepal side, and there is a Vajrayana. आज जो लामा है वो किसको फॉलो करता है? Yes, आप वहां पे भी जाते हो, देखोगे लोग घूम कर क्या घुमाते हैं? इसको घुमा लो, कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा. इस पे लिख लो, पढ़ लो, something. There is, I said that if you go into Tibet, Lhasa and here and there, then you can be able to see that it is in a what? Affected by which? Vajrayana. Understood it? So Tantra, so we can, यहाँ से UPSC can ask, correlate it. So it is an again which in a, it is in a Tantricism. It is in a what? Yes or not? और कब कुछ में set कराते समय भी आप लोगों को, if you remember, in Khajuraho there is in one temple is there, Chaurat Yogini. Remember that? And if you remember that there is a Mukteshwar temple in what I said? In Bhubaneswar, Lingaraja, Mukteshwar. So many places I said that when there is something is related to Tantricism, there is a what? Yes? वो 64 योगिनी 64 जोगनी वो अलग चीज है. 64 योगिनी in Odisha there is a 64 yogini and there is also 64 jogini. But if you go into what I said that in Khajuraho there is a 64 yogini. 64 nahi, that is a what? And that is related to Jaina. So jahan jo rahe, just have a what idea. UPSC is asking what you are understanding along with your facts. समझ में आ गया? इसका मतलब तंत्रा इज एसोसिएटेड विद द तांत्रिसिज्म. बॉडी दिख रहा है तंत्रा तांत्रिसिज्म. फॉर विच written writings of Saivite sects and also certain antinomian Buddhist scholars are there. They are scriptures. Which scriptures? Religious writings. For whom? Vaishnavites, Saivites. तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. If it is religious writing, it is known as Agama. It is known as, I said that, for who? Saivites, Vaishnavites and others. I said that Upanga, and the Upanga, they are generally named for any collection of treatises, traditionally confined to the philosophical system of Nyaya, Mimamsa and everything. So Dharma Sutras and all, it is related to what? Some kind of philosophy. It is related to, so which are the Smriti? Which are the Smriti? Kalp, Vedanga, साध दर्शन, इतिहास, पुराण. तो हमने क्या देखा? वेद शादी करते हैं, वेदों में ही शादी होता था. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ शादी? एंड देन आई सेड दैट इतिहास में पुराना, इतिहास पुराना. देन हमने बोला उठाऊ, उपांगा, सॉरी पहले बोला वेदा, तंत्र, अंगमा एंड upanga. Understood it? And then first I said that's Vedanga. And which are the subsidiary Vedas? Kalp, कल्प रही है ज्योतिष शिक्षा के लिए, कल्प ज्योतिष शिक्षा. एंड देन क्या हो गया? क्षण में उसका ब्याह, छंद, व्याकरण, निरुक्ता. एंड कल्प मीन्स कैनन प्रिंसिपल, धम्मा. एंड देन आई सेड दैट अनदर ज्योतिष एस्ट्रोलॉजी. एंड देन आई सेड दैट शिक्षा मीन्स फोनेटिक्स. ये सारे करेक्ट होने चाहिए. वेदा सेज दैट. नहीं तो आप पंडितों को सुने होंगे, आप गलत मत बोलिएगा, तो इफेक्ट विल बी रॉन्ग. देन आई सेड दैट, हमने क्या बोला? छंद, छंद, व्याकरण एंड देयर आफ्टर, एंड छंद मीन्स मेजरमेंट, मीटर, कितने का वो, एंड वॉट एवर द वर्सेस आर देयर, कपलेट्स आर देयर, छंद. देयर आफ्टर आई सेड दैट, क्या हमने बोला? एंड आपको यदि याद हो कि मैंने बोला था गजल, गजल में कितने शेर होने चाहिए? मैक्सिमम 12, मिनिमम 7 शेर. तो सभी का एक मेजरमेंट होता है. इफ विल गो बियॉन्ड इट, इट विल नॉट लुक लाइक दैट. तो एवरीथिंग हैज व्हाट? सम मेजरमेंट. सम, समझ में आ गया? छंद, इट इज इन अ मेजरमेंट. एंड देन व्याकरण, ग्रामर, यू हैव टू बी एवरी इन कंप्लीटली स्पीकिंग समथिंग ग्रामेटिकली बेटर इन द व्हाट इज इन वेदास. एंड देयर आफ्टर आई टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट? Nirukta, etymology, everything has been originated from here. And then we have seen there is a Sadha Darsana, and the Sadha Darsana हमने क्या बोला? न्याय, वैसे ही संख्या बढ़ गया है, न्याय, वैशेषिका, सांख्य, and then yoga, and then पूर्व मीमांसा, उत्तर मीमांसा. And न्याय has been given by Gautam, and then it has been talking about the logical quest for God, and then a tussle between what is material power Maya and with the God, logical quest. And thereafter we have talked about, yes, Vaisesika, Kannada. And Kannada में क्या मिला आपको? Receiving happiness. And how will you be able to receive? By attaching yourself with the true knowledge. Yes or not? For the divine, then you can be able to receive happiness. Thereafter I talked about Sankhya. Sankhya, it is given by Kapila. And then what we have to do? I said that Sankhya, Kapil क्या किए? अरे अल्लाह कलाम, बुद्धा, what he has given, what he learned, what is an elimination of physical pain and mental pain. Understood? Then you can be able to liberation from your this kind of problem. And then दोनों ही जरूरी. And then yoga, yoga में क्या करना है? We have to learn your aim of your life. Yes or not? And then who has given yoga? Patanjali. And then पूर्व मीमांसा and उत्तर मीमांसा. पूर्व में क्या है? Jaimini. Condensed explanation of Vedic theme. And then I said Uttar Mimamsa is talking about, tell me. Yes, किसने दिया? महर्षि व्यास. और यहां पे मैंने बोला था कि उपनिषद has said that Brahma means summary of philosophy is the true knowledge of the world. So this Uttar Mimamsa is talking about the Brahma Sutra. Yes or not? If you want to know, if you have a desire to know about the God, you have to lovingly surrender to Him. Good. That is this. And thereafter Itihasa, Ramayana, and Mahabharata. And then Ramayana may actually it is in which form? Ballad. Later on it has been made when the edition has been done. And then it is becoming Adi Kavya. Thereafter we have seen there is a Mahabharata. And how many books? 18 books, Pravaras. And then we have seen, yes, tell me, it is in 1 lakh verses, and it is not possible. And thereafter we have seen about, I said that Purana is full of superstition, full of corruption. Thereafter I talked about, and next is Upveda, I said that Dhanurveda, Ayurveda, and different other Vedas. Thereafter we have seen which one? Tantras, and Tantras is what is writings for Saivites, and is related to antinomians of what is in a Buddhist, and that is against. And then Agma is religious writing for Saivites, and then Vaishnavites and all, and Saktas. And thereafter I talked about Upanga, that is in a philosophical. So we have finished with Smriti and Shruti. आसान से दिख गया श्रुति क्या है? यही है. This is not too much hard. जिसको आप लोग सोचते थे कि it is so much hard, and only in few time you have given and then you understood it. And then I said that just थोड़ा सा आप देखेंगे सामवेदा, origin of Indian music, कुछ चीजें एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ पे एड ऑन होते रहेंगे आपके. Mention the word Sudra, कहाँ पे है याद है? Varnas वहीं पे है ना. After reading Sudra, then the later Vedic we become what? This word has come. And then Rajniya. Rajniya कब आएगा? Raja and all. Later Vedic, and later Vedic में सबसे लास्ट में कहाँ एडिशन हो रहा है? 10th मंडला Rajniya. And then Gayatri mantra, it is given for him. Whom? It is in the Rig Veda. याद हो? Somrasa. In which mandala? Rig Veda का? Yes, 9th mandala. Som plus PK 9. And 5 division of India. कौन है? ऐतरेय. चलो अटरिया पे खड़े होते हैं. और वहां से हमने देखा वेस्ट, ईस्ट, साउथ, नॉर्थ एंड सेंट्रल. हाउ मेनी डिवीजन? और ऊपर में कौन बैठा हुआ है? ब्राह्मण. हु इज so Atariya Brahmana is talking about superiority of Brahmanas, and 5 division of so Atariya Brahmana. Understood it? Atariya Brahmana is talking about, just tell me, 5 division of India, and